See what happens after eating garlic. Inside the stomach, garlic starts its power.
Nutrients from the garlic are absorbed through the intestines, flowing directly into the bloodstream towards the heart and brain.
These golden particles represent active compounds from garlic, moving through the bloodstream to support lung function and aid in detoxification. The potent compounds in garlic travel through the bloodstream, initiating a powerful detoxification process within the liver cells.
These golden sparkles represent enzymes released by the garlic, stimulating the gentle rhythmic contractions of the intestinal walls to process nutrients. The kidneys efficiently filter the compounds, which then pass through the ureters, collect in the bladder, and are finally excreted from the body.